In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your subscription in Microsoft Teams. Upgrading your subscription is a great way to unlock more features, get better collaboration tools, and ensure you're using Teams to its full potential. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly where to click, what to look for, and what to expect during the process, so you can complete your upgrade with confidence. First, open Microsoft Teams in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account that you want to upgrade. Once you're on the main team screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Just beside that profile icon, you'll find a small menu represented by 3 dots. This is often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots next to your profile icon. When you do that, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains several account-related options. In this list, look for the option labeled Upgrade. It may be grouped with other account or subscription options, but it will clearly say Upgrade. Click on Upgrade. This will open a new page or panel where Microsoft shows you the available subscription plans. Depending on your region and account type, you might see different tiers, such as plans tailored for small businesses, larger organizations, or personal use. From here, follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The system will typically guide you through a few stages. First, you'll be asked to review the available plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. Take a moment to read the descriptions, compare the features, and check the pricing details so you know exactly what you're getting. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice and enter any required billing information. Make sure your payment details are correct and that the billing address matches what your payment provider expects. If you're upgrading on behalf of a company, you may need to ensure you have the right permissions to make subscription changes. After you submit your payment and confirm everything, Microsoft Teams will process the upgrade. In most cases, the changes take effect quickly, and you'll see confirmation on screen. From that point on, your account should reflect the new subscription level, and you'll have access to the upgraded features included with your plan.